It's like a real rapper. He drinks before he goes on.
High as hell, I'm medicated. High as fuck, I'm meditating. I hope I keep on levitating above and beyond all this hatred. People say I will not make it. See my chance, so I'ma take it. Sit back, relax, and just embrace it. Put the game on blast and rearrange it. With the aim on fast, I just keep playing. Fake ass rappers, I'm intimidating. Lame ass rappers insinuating. They are the best, I'm demonstrating. Why I'm the best, and I am taking the motherfucking crown, and I am racing to the motherfucking clouds. Yeah, I'm steady patient. Shake the motherfucking ground, yeah, I'm Freddy chasing. The goddamn G-man, I'm replacing. Any goddamn team that I'll be facing. Goddamn bang, I'm so amazing. Got that bang, I'm so Caucasian. Got this. Oh goddamn.
Oh, dude,
Fuck.
that was going hard.
That was good. That was good.
That was good enough.
I forgot the rest of that shit, dude. I need that fucking book. Hold on, I got another beat.
Dude,
I got another one.
Upload that to everything right now.
All right.